Hi, third grade. It's Mrs. D'Amico. We are ready today to start Unit 2, Week 3 of Fundations. At the end of this week, we will be taking the Unit 2 test. So let's make sure we're focused and practicing well so we can do our best. Repeat after me. A apple, ah. A wash, ah. A squash, ah. E ed, eh. I itch, I. O octopus, ah. U up, ah. TCH catch, ch. ILD wild, ild. OST post, ost. And ONK honk, onk. Nice work. Okay, next we're going to build some words that we've had so far. And this word, let's tap it. Ready? K, a, ch, catch, catches. So start telling me, what are some things about this word? Maybe what could I mark? What does it have? Let's talk about it. Right, it does have a trigraph, TCH, that makes one sound. Right, it has a suffix we can circle. This could make it plural, right? He has many catches this season. Yes, our base word. Oh, and I do this every time with catches. I'm so excited about that trigraph that I forget. If we have a word that has a suffix, all we do is underline the base word and then circle the suffix, right? Excellent. Catches could also be, besides a plural noun, it could be a verb. Think that's an action. He catches the ball. Okay, I went ahead and built a second word from this year. The word is bond, bonded. It has a suffix too. So let's see if I can follow the rules this time. All right, when we have a word with a suffix, we only underline the base word, circle the suffix. I don't need to mark my vowel, and I don't need to mark that blend there either. Great. Now, let's talk about bonded. What does it mean if something is bonded? Right, it's joined together. Friends can bond when they get together. They get closer. All right, great work. Okay, here's the next word. The base word is grab. The whole word is grabbed. Now, there's something special about this particular word. Remember, the base word is just G-R-A-B. Okay, the suffix is ed. And remember, when your base word is a 1-1-1 word, it has one vowel, it has one consonant after the vowel, and it's a closed syllable. Before you attach a vowel suffix like ed, you have to double that consonant. Because if you don't double the consonant, the word would say grabed, and that's not really a word. So to make it grabbed, you double the consonant and star it. Okay, the last word I built is up here now. It also has a suffix. So the base word is trap, and the suffix is ed. Now, I'm not going to underline both there because the base word is just T-R-A-P. Again, is trap a 1-1-1 word? One vowel, one consonant after the vowel, and it's a closed syllable? Yeah, so that's why they doubled the consonant again. So it doesn't say traped. Very good. All right, let me exit there and let me ask you a few questions here. Point to a word on the screen that has a suffix added to an action word or a verb. Wow. Okay. Catch. Is that something you do? Yes, so you could be pointing to catches. Is bond something you can do? Is that an action? Yeah, you can bond with your friends. You could be pointing to bonded. Is grab something that you do? Sure, you could be pointing to grabbed. And is trap something that you can do? Yes, I could trap an insect under a cup. So, really, any of these four words on your screen have a suffix attached to an action word. Try this question. Find a word that has a suffix that shows that something already happened in the past. What's the suffix that you add when it already happened? Right, ed. So you could be pointing to bonded. Last week I bonded with my friends. You could be pointing to grabbed. He grabbed the pencil from the container. Or you could be pointing to trapped. I trapped the spider under the cup. Any of those three show that an action happened in the past. And I wanted to remember, I didn't do this earlier. Let's talk about that ed ending. Remember, sometimes it says different things, like bonded. Doesn't that sound like id? Yeah, bonded. So I can mark, I'm not very good at this. I can mark the sound above that ed. How about grabbed? It's not grabbed, is it? We're not going to make the same sound. Bonded, grabbed. Hear the difference? Yeah, this one's just the D, right. It's hard to make with my mouse. Okay. And how about this last one here? Trapped. Ooh, that one has the T sound. So not only does ed suffix tell that something happened in the past, it also could sound differently depending on the base word that it's attached to. Great work. Okay, and the last question, which we already talked about, so if you were paying close attention, this should be easy peasy. Point to a 111 base word that has a suffix attached to it. Well, is catch a 111 word? No, because TCH, it can only have one letter after the vowel, and that's 3 letters. How about bonded? Is bond a 111 word? Nope. ND. But look, grabbed. Yes, that's why we added the bonus letter B there. And trapped. Yes, trap is a 111 word. That's why we added the extra P there. Good job. Okay, next we're going to watch a video to review the 111 spelling rule. All right, so go ahead and listen.
Hi friends, welcome back. It's me, Mrs. Blocker. We're going to go ahead and continue our work in Fundations. Okay, can you read that word for me? Nice work. The word is thin. Can you tell me, is it a 111 word? It is a 111 word. Why is it a 111 word? Good. It's one syllable. Thin. Very good. There's only one vowel. Nice job. And there's a consonant following that vowel. And the consonant is N. Nice job. Now what happens if I wanted to add a consonant suffix to my base word thin? Does anything happen to the base word? It doesn't. So if I added this suffix ly, what would the word be? Base word first, thin, thinly. I don't have to change anything when I add that consonant suffix. Nice work. Now what happens when I want to add a vowel suffix? I do. When I add a vowel suffix, I have to double that consonant. So I would put another N, and I could add my vowel suffix Now what's the new word? Thin, thinner. Nice job. So whenever you're spelling words and you're adding a vowel suffix to a base word, and if it's a 111 word, you have to double that consonant. I know it's a lot to remember. Nice job, but you did a great job remembering that rule. So I'm just going to move those out of the way. And then we're going to quickly review our knowledge, or test our knowledge of 111 words. Ready? We're going to look through these words, and I'm going to circle the words that are 111 words. You're going to help me, and I'll just put an X across the ones that are not a 111. Ready? What's this word? Step. Is it one syllable? Yes. Is there one vowel? Yes. Is there one consonant after it? Yes. So that makes it a 111 word. I'm going to circle it. How about foam? It is not, because it has two vowels in the center. Very good. How about pencil? It is not, because it has two syllables. How about beat? Has two vowels in the middle, so is that a one word? No. How about shop? Yes, because it has one vowel and one consonant. How about lift? No, because it has two consonants after it. How about pen? Yes, nice work. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to practice spelling. And so I need, if you don't already have it, I need for you to grab your dry erase board and a marker, or a piece of paper if you don't have a dry erase board. Okay? All right, go ahead and pause and get your materials. You get everything? Great. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to practice spelling some of our words with those suffixes, paying attention to that 111 rule. Okay? And then we're going to mark our words. Let's start with the word shopping. What's the word? Shopping. What's the base word? Shop. Let's go ahead and spell shop as we write. Ready? S-H-O-P. Now that's a 111 word. We're adding a suffix, ing. Is that a vowel suffix? Yes, so we have to double that P and then add our suffix. Shop, shopping. So I'm going to underline my base word, put a star above the added P, and circle my suffix. Make sure you do the same thing. Okay, you ready to do another one together? Let's do tubful. There was a tub full of water. What's the word? Tubful. What's the base word? Tub. Go ahead and write tub. I'm going to write it right here. Spell it. T-U-B. Good. And what's the base word? Full. Is that a vowel or a consonant? A consonant. So I don't have to do anything to my 111 word. Okay? Go ahead and mark that up for me. What's the base word? Tub. What's the suffix? Full. What's the word? Tubful. Nice work. Okay, let's do another one. Ready? Ripped. She ripped her pants when she was climbing the fence. What's the base word? Rip. Go ahead and spell it for me. R. Good. I-P. And what's the suffix? ED. Is that a vowel or consonant suffix? A vowel. So we're going to add another P. Very good. Okay, go ahead and mark it up for me. Underline the base word, star above your added P, and circle your suffix. What is it? Rip, ripped. Nice work. Okay, I have two more for you. If you need to erase your board, so you have enough room, I might be able to fit a couple more. Okay, you ready? Dripless. What's the word? Dripless. What's the base word? Drip. Go ahead and write the base word. Spell it for me. D. Good. R. Nice job. P. I-P. Good. And what suffix? Less. Is that a vowel or a consonant suffix? Consonant. So do we have to do anything to that P? No. Go ahead and write it. Go ahead and mark it up for me. Drip. Dripless. Nice job. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Drummer. Many of you might want to be a drummer. What's the base word? Drum. Spell it for me. Good. You should have D-R-U-M. Good. And you're adding suffix ER. So So that is a L. What happens to your M? Go ahead and write it. Good. You should have doubled that M. And then add your suffix. Go ahead and mark it for me. Drum, drummer. Nice job. You are really getting the hang of that 111 rule. You will become quite the expert. Make sure you tell your families what you learned today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay, third grade, we're going to wrap up today's lesson in Fundations by learning 2 new lowercase letters. These letters are both up-down letters, and they are letters U and W. So let's give a watch.
U is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Trace down to the grass line. Swing back up to the plane line. Trace down to the grass line. Make a tail.
Okay, so that was lowercase u. And remember, you should have paper and pencil at home or a whiteboard so that you can practice that formation. If you need to rewatch that part of the video, simply rewind the video and watch it again. W is the other letter we're going to watch, so let's give it a look.
W is an up-down letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the plane line. Trace down to the grass line. Swing back up to the plane line. Trace down to the grass line. Swing back up to the plane line. Make a swinging bridge.
Okay, so now third grade, you can be practicing at home all of the letters that we've learned so far, like B and let's see what else. We've done E, we've done F, we've done H and I and J, K, L, P, R, S, T, and U now, and V, or I'm sorry, not V yet, U and W. So those are all of the loop letters and the up-down letters. We've learned all of them. So go ahead and keep practicing. Great work today.